Welcome back to accounting session once again. In the yesterday's session, you have learned how to calculate interest on drawings under product method. Today, we will see some more problems based on product method. So let us solve one problem. Let us take an example. The following are the drawings of a partner during the year. One line 2012, 4000, one 11 2012, 5000, 31st 12, 2012, 3000. 31st 3 2013, 4000. So this is the information given, and the rate of interest is 10% per annum on drawings. The rate of interest charge is 10% per annum on drawings. Calculate the interest on drawings under product method. So two informations are already given here, that is date and amount. Date, amount withdrawn. So you are supposed to add two more columns, that is number of months and product. So let's calculate the number of months. So 1, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3, 7 months. Here 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 months. Here 31st 12. So 31st 12, you should not include 12 months, but here I have included 11 months, here I have included 9 months because it is on first. If it is on the end of the month, you should not consider that month. 12 months should not be considered. So excluding 12 months, 1, 2, 3. So 3 months. This is on 31st 3, so 0 months. On the year ending, we have withdrawn rupees 4000. So the number of months will be 0 here. So let us see the product. Product equal to amount withdrawn into number of months. 4 7 are 28,000. 5 5 are 25,000 and 3 3 are 9,000. 4 into 0 equal to 0. 0 multiplied by any number equal to 0. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 9 22. 62,000 is the total product. So 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 9 22, 2 carry, so 62,000 is the total product. So interest on drawings equal to, under product method, interest on drawings equal to total product into percentage into 1 divided by 4. So let us calculate the interest on drawings for this problem. So total product we have calculated as 62,000 into percentage is 10% per annum into 1 divided by 12 equal to 0 0 cancelled, 2 5 are 2 6 are 2 3 are 2 3 are 3 10, so 3 10 into 5 0 5 5 3 are 15. 1550 divided by 3. 3 5 are 15. 3 into 16 5. 516 5 3. So this is how you will calculate the interest on drawings under product method. So let us now see the shortcut method, discuss the shortcut method and when it is used and how to use the shortcut method. Here in the problem that we have solved, the drawings are different, varying from each drawings. First it was from 5,000, then 4,000, then 2,000. Every month drawing was varying. But in case if the amount of drawings is same, for example, 1,000 rupees. If a partner is regularly withdrawing on the beginning of the month, or 1,000 regularly withdrawing from the, in the middle of the month, or 1,000 regularly withdrawing in the end, at the end of every month. During the year, Shortcut method can only be used in these three circumstances. If the amount of drawings is fixed and it is on a fixed date throughout the year, you can use this shortcut method. So two things are required here. One is amount of drawings should be fixed, and second is date of drawings should be either beginning of the month or the beginning of the month or in the middle of the month or end of the month throughout the year or for 6 months, whatever it is. But the amount of drawing should be same and date of drawing should be same every month. So in this case, what you can do is you can use the shortcut method. Under shortcut method, instead of putting 4 columns, that is date, amount withdrawn, and then number of months and product and finding product, and then using the formula and calculating the interest of drawings, we can use a simple formula here. Total drawings into rate of interest into 1 divided by 4 into 6.5 if it is given beginning of the month. First case. Second case, total drawings into rate of interest into 1 divided by 12 into 6 in middle of the month. Is given on middle of the month. And third case is total drawings into rate of interest into 1 divided by 12 into 5.5 ending of the month. So these are the three cases in which we can use the shortcut method, and then let us see one problem based on this shortcut method and try to understand how this formula can be applied. So let us take one problem, one example, and try to understand the interest of drawings under shortcut method. Let us take one example. Mr. X withdrew rupees 1,000 per month regularly during the year. On the beginning of every month, the interest is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings. under shortcut method. Now I will show you first the same problem under product method and show you simultaneously the shortcut method, whichever is very convenient for you, whichever you feel easy, you can adopt. But I know very well that after seeing both, comparing both methods, definitely you will opt for the shortcut method rather than using the product method for the calculations of interest on drawings of fixed amount, either on the beginning of the month or middle of the month or month ending. So let us solve one problem. In this problem, if you solve this under product method, you will see here during the year 2013-14. 1/4/2013, 1/5/2013, 1/6/2013, 1/7/2013, 1/8/2013, 1/9/2013, 1/10/2013, 1/11/2013, 1/12/2013, 1/1/2014, 1/2/2014, 1/3/2014. So this will be the beginning of the month, that is date. Then amount withdrawn 1000 rupees per month. Now you will see the number of months. Number of months. First will be 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we will calculate the product equal to amount into number of months. 12,000, 11,000, 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000. So if you do the total of product 3 plus 9 or 12 plus 8, 20, 27, 27 plus 6, 33, 38, 38 plus 4, 42, 45, 47, 48. 4 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 7. So 78,000 is the total product. So if you want to calculate the interest on drawings under product method, equal to 78,000 into 10% into 1 divided by 12. So 0 is cancelled. 2 6 are, 2 5 are, 2 3 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 3 13 so 130 into 5 equal to 650. So the solution of problem will be so lengthy in case if you want to calculate interest on drawings under product method. But if such problems are there, you can opt for shortcut method. Shortcut method formula is total drawings into rate of interest into 1 divided by 12 into beginning of the month 6.5. So total drawings is how much? 1000 per month. So 1000 into 12 equal to how much? 12,000 is the total drawings. The rate of interest given is how much? 10% into 1 divided by 12 into 6.5. So let us see 0 0 cancelled, 6 3 is 6 sorry 2 6 का 2 5 का 6 1 का 6 20 का 20 into 5 equal to 100, 100 into 6.5 equal to 650. So now you can decide on your own which method is very easy to you. Either this method, such a lengthy method, or this method. So this is the method which you can adopt in case if the amount is fixed and it is for all throughout the year and amount is same and date of drawings is also same, either beginning of the year, beginning of the month, middle of the month, or end of the month. The beginning of the month you should consider 6.5. If it is in middle of the month, you should consider 6, and if it is at the end of the month, you should consider 5.5. Thank you.